Hey my fellow fashionistas, it's Fee, long time no see. How are you doing today? In this video I'm going to show you how I take my body measurements for sewing patterns with the measurements that I like to use. You can also use some of the measurements for online shopping. So you will need a measuring tape, 2 elastics, something to write your measurements on. I also have a sheet on my blog so you can download that if you want. A necklace will give you a better idea where to measure from. Hair ties, a marker to make markings or yourself, a bra type you wear all the time. Make sure to wear thin clothing or measure yourself in your underwear. And last but not least is a mirror so that you can see what you're doing.
Still we need to